Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Reolink Argus 2E camera. To do this, first you will need to click on the gear icon next to the camera inside the app, scroll down and find Advanced. Then you should be able to find Restore, click on it, and we want to restore the device, so click on the Restore button and the camera should perform factory reset. Now make sure not to power off the camera or remove it from the power, and after that our factory reset is finished. We also might reset our camera with the reset button. Just find the plug on the left side, then take something very thin like the SIM ejection tool and stick it in the res pin right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.